Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over what actually drives PPC success in 2026. It's not anymore about tweaking your bids endlessly and doing everything manually and just choosing the right keywords, but it's going to be a lot more different than that. I will be going over everything in this short video, so stay to learn everything, and we're going to be unpacking on why in 2026 speed gets the most reward than anything. You're going to learn how to prioritize on what actually scales. You're going to learn how to actually predict profit, and you're also going to learn how to avoid doing things that slow sellers do. So keep watching and you will know it all. So a simple definition of what really matters in 2026 in PPC is that it's not really measured by keyword volume or bid precision. It's more about how quickly you can adapt to live signals. For example, as you can see, Amazon's marketplace, it moves in real time. Buyer intent shifts, competition spikes. There's so many different things are always happening here, as you can see. And the sellers who react the fastest always win. And why does speed of optimization always beat knowledge? In 2026, the speed of optimization matters more than the knowledge alone. You can know every single keyword tactic, but if you are analyzing weekly reports, you are already losing. Markets shift daily, new ASINs launch, prices fluctuate, and trends explode overnight. So fast optimizers spot dips in traffic quality and pivots bids instantly. They scale winners before their competitors even notice. Slow knowledge hoarders watch opportunities vanish, and speed amplifies expertise. Lag buries it. So this is why traffic quality over traffic volume matters the most. A lot of people are just chasing volume, and that is what makes them fail, first in 2026. Thousands of people are getting low intent clicks, which burn their budgets without any type of sales. And high quality traffic clicks from ready to buy searches deliver actual stable conversions and lower ACoS. So prioritize signals like CTR paired with conversion rate over raw impressions. In competitive categories, quality traffic compounds, volume just exhausts, and budgets just so you have to shift your focus, and your margins will completely just flow with that. And why does ACoS alone mislead without TACoS? So ACoS looks clean, but it's misleading without any type of TACoS context. Advertising cost of sales tells us part of a story at efficiency, and then total advertising cost of sales reveals the entire picture. So how ads can drive organic growth and overall profit. A low ACoS with a flat organic sale does not mean you're renting visibility, not building equity. TACoS shows if PPC fuels hollow effect and repeat buyers. So if you ignore it, you could optimize it for the wrong goal. In 2026, TACoS is your North Star. So the next section is real-time response beats manual after analysis. So manual after analysis is completely dead in 2026. You need to automate things because weekly downloads and spreadsheets, they will miss the action by the time you act, and the window will be closed. So you have to respond in hours, not days, and you have to capture shifts that a lot of people just miss. And sellers are so glued to reports that are not even optimizing what they're reporting. So real-time data turns data into dollars, and you have to make sure that when everything is automated, your life will be so much more easier. You're actually going to be getting traffic that a lot of people will not be able to see. So how automation replaces the reaction lag? So automation does not replace the entire human strategy. It just eliminates reaction lag. Humans can't monitor something 24/7 across thousands of campaigns, especially when they're sleeping, eating, and doing other things. Smart automation, like you can see over here, it can change velocity changes, bid elasticity, and it can even adjust on the fly. It can adjust at all times. It pulls back from poor traffic. It could scale high TACoS performers and tests variations all the time. And your role is to set rules, define goals, and oversee trends. So automation can handle the grind, freeing you from high-level decisions. And then the core shift is reaction times. It's not the keywords. You need to understand that this is all a reaction game. The faster you react, the more closer you are to beating everyone else in this game. If you see ACoS spike without TACoS lift, pivot. Slow reactors get outbid by systems that never sleep, and winners will always measure success in seconds, not strategies. And this is where AiHello fits in 2026 PPC. So as you can see, I've been showing AiHello most of this time, and this is where tools like AiHello completely shine. It's built for reaction time, not static rules. AiHello will monitor your live signals, traffic quality, and telcos trends, and report everything instantly. Focus on speed of optimization over raw knowledge, traffic quality over volume, ACoS alongside ACoS, and real-time responses over analysis. And automation to kill the lag, not just to fully replace the strategy. So the game is not keywords, it's reaction time, and it's just moving fast. That's the most important game here.